Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashmiri style spring onions or green onions and paneer or Putche Tchaman. Though Kashmiri cuisine is dominated by non-vegetarian foods, but the vegetarian delicacies manage to carve a niche for themselves. And cottage cheese or Tchaman is the popular accompaniment of these vegetables. So let's get started. For making this, I have taken salt 2 teaspoons or according to your taste, turmeric 1 teaspoon, chili powder 2 teaspoons, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a cup of oil and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Cottage cheese or paneer, I have taken half a kg sliced like this, and around 300 grams of spring onions diced like this. Now in a pan I have heated up half a cup of oil and added paneer to it. We will fry the paneer the way we do it for Kashmiri dishes. We will deep fry it on all sides like this and we'll flip it. So this is the fried paneer. Now in a pan I have heated up 2 tablespoons of oil and added ginger garlic paste. Saute and then add all the whole spices, cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom and cinnamon. Saute properly and then add spring onions. Add salt and let them cook on low flame. They will release water. Keep them on low flame till all the water released by them is absorbed. It may take around 15 to 20 minutes. Once all the water released by spring onions is absorbed and they are fried properly, oil is visible. Now at this stage we will add spices. Turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder, fennel seed powder, coriander powder and ginger powder. Mix properly, let all the spices get fried. Then add a glass of water and fried paneer and let it cook on low flame for around 10 to 15 minutes. I'll cover it and let it cook so that the paneer gets taste of the spices and spring onions. So after around 15 to 20 minutes on low flame, almost all the water is absorbed. So at this stage we'll dish it out. Here the wonderful paneer dish is ready. This can be served with rice or roti. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.